6 Nigerian stocks that are paying dividends this July. Yes, we are officially in the second half of 2026. The question is, are you ready for the show? Hey, remember December is coming. Remember January is coming. Rent is coming. Everything is coming. Good, bad, ugly. Everything is coming. The question is, are you ready to sort out everything as they come? The fun time, the celebration, the bills, the expenses. Yes, they are all going to come. Your rent is going to come. Everything you have need for. The travel you want to do, they're all gonna come. The question is, prepare yourself. One way you can do this is by receiving dividend alerts. So some Nigerians are waiting for salary every month, whereas some people are waiting for dividend alerts. This is what I call ownership. Ownership, when you own things, every time they make profit, they say, you deserve to get something because you're part of us. That is so sweet, right? That's what I love about dividends. It's like a sweet gesture. So this July, there are so many companies that are going to be paying dividends. They will be rewarding their shareholders to say, thank you for banking with us, for being with us, for taking this ride with us. And they'll be giving out dividends. So while some people will be complaining about the economy, some very smart and patient investors are getting paid simply because they own a part of the business. So there are people who have received alerts who won't be receiving this July because they've even received from the companies that they own. So just have that in mind. Let me start with this heartwarming. This is VIP 9.0. Currently, we have almost 15 people in the community. And like I said, we have very few slots. And in the next 2 weeks, we'll be shutting down because we've started classes. We've been doing lessons. And this person says, I'm actually enjoying being in your group. The fact that you teach every week makes it more remarkable. Oh my God, this was heartwarming. And I was so happy. I say thank you for this amazing feedback. This is what you're missing for not being in the group. I'm not saying we are perfect, but we are making effort to make sure that you learn. I am so big on knowledge. I want you to learn to be good so that you can take decisions by yourself. So if this is the kind of place you would love to be, please consider joining VIP 9.0, 65K for 1 year. It's an amazing place. You're going to learn a lot, trust me. So welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia. If you're meeting me for the first time on this channel, we talk about how to make our money work for us. For one reason, you cannot work every day of your life, but you see your money can work for you, work for your children, work for your children's children. So watch this video to the end, like this video, please like it because that is the encouragement I get for doing videos like this, and subscribe if you've not subscribed so that when I do new videos, you'll be one of the first people to get the notification. So please subscribe. Thank you, and please share this video. Somebody is gonna receive sense. Thank you. So dividends are what I call the quiet money. Let's get right into it because see, don't just work for money. Let your money work for you. Every investor started with one share. I want you to understand this part. Please, even if you miss every other thing I say in this video, every investor started with one share. Your future depends on one decision you make today. You saying, this 20,000 naira I have that I want to go and use to buy shawarma and some things. I'm not saying buying those things are not good, but I'm saying sometimes you need to make some sacrifices that are worth it because that 20K, you could have used it to buy some shares. That kind of decision is what your future self will thank you so much for. So the truth is, are you expecting any dividends this month? I want answers. But if you're not, let me put you on the map that you can still catch up on some of them. Yes, you know I always have you at my heart. So let's start with the first one, charms. Charms. It's gonna charm you, right? So let's look at some interesting things. This stock is one stock that is below 5 naira. So with 20K, do you know how many shares you're going to pack shares? When I said it starts with one, here you're going to start with plenty. Because if you buy 100, that's like 4,000 naira. So imagine you're going to have a lot. You're going to have a lot of shares with 20K, and you have to own these shares on or before June 19th. You can even earn more. If this stock moves from 4 naira, 25 kobo to 5 naira, you've earned 1 naira. So if you are able to buy 20,000 shares, you will earn 20,000 naira for just this move. Okay? And they're paying like 3 kobo. It may not make sense. It may not make sense until you see people that have 10 million shares, and then you calculate this figure. You open your eyes again. So never neglect when you see small figures like this. There will be a mountain of money if you check it very well. So they are paying on the 10th of July. So if you bought it before June 19th, you'll be expecting to cash out. You'll be expecting some money. But even at that, you can still make money on capital gain. Let's run. The second is Airtel Africa. Airtel has had an amazing year. In the last 1 year, Airtel has returned 151%. So by this time last year, Airtel was below 2,500. By this time last year, and today we are at 5,800. An amazing run. So if you had put your money here between last year, your money would have doubled and going to double again for you. So that's like 150%. And of course, if you buy this stock before, if you had it before June 22nd, you would be earning your dividends on the 24th of July. You see? So by this time last month, you would have had access to buying this. But nevertheless, this is one company that even with the recent drop in the market, they did not drop. Can you see that? The chart never lies. So that is for Airtel. Now let's go to Bua Food. Bua Food, if you owned it before June 5th, 2026, you would be paid on July 15th, and they're paying 28 naira per share. Wow. And look at this massive dip. They've had 84% growth in the last 1 year, but look at this dip. This stock was almost at 1,000 and it came down to 845. Even this dip alone will make you more money than the dividends. You see? Feedsin is the next one. Feedsin has had an amazing year. They've gone up 108%. And of course, if you owned it in April, even though somehow I feel this information is wrong, I think it's July 15th, but I'm just going to take this because I got this from the app. If you own it before April 15th, you're going to be paid 1 naira 50 kobo on July 31st. And look at this huge drop. This stock was almost heading to 140 and then it dropped to 90 naira. Did you catch the dip? Because apart from dividends, there are still other ways. Some people are crying they are missing 28 naira, but 200 naira is looking at you to come and collect. So be wise. Be wise. And of course, Aradel, oil and gas. This stock has been impressive. This was one stock that we jumped on last week. Look at this jump from 1,003 to 1,436, and we are almost ready to start making our move to the upside. But it does not mean that we cannot come down again. Nobody said that. But this is one stock that you can still grab. One, even if you buy it at 1,004 or 1,005, you still have 500 naira to the upside. And at the same time, you are going to be paid 23 naira per share. See this? Did you see this? Buy it before July 10th. What is today's date? July 7th. So I'm giving you this information ahead of time. Tell me thank you. Say thank you to Julia. Tell me thank you. I know you don't want to learn anything, but you must learn. You must learn from my page. You must learn from this channel. And of course, it's going to be sweet because I see many people making plenty money from this stock. This stock is going to give people a lot of dirty December money. So you're earning from not just from the dividends, but you're earning also from the capital gains. I just put muscles and fire. Like, that's exactly what it is. That's kind of flex you should have. This is the kind of money brag you should be bragging. You don't have to be buying things that don't have value. These are the kind of things you need to buy that have value. And of course, let me put you up on the last one, Dangote Cement. I know this one they've already paid. So if you have missed, no problem. But you have not missed entirely. Because see, they paid on July 2nd and they paid 45 naira. Woo! This one, I even mentioned it to my community members. I told them, even Dangote, even the daughters, these people are making a freaking amount of money from the dividends alone. And see this huge dip. We dipped to 880 naira. Imagine if you have missed 45 naira and we had a dip to 880 naira. Look at this jump from 880 naira to 1002 is how much? Press your calculator and tell me in the comment. I want to see people who are interested in the figures. If this stock goes from 880 naira, we know right now we're at 1039 naira, okay? But if at the dip of 880 naira, this stock, you bought it at 880 naira and this stock ran to 1200, tell me how much you will make per share in the comment section. Tell me how much you will make per share. Let me know if you're following, if this is making sense to you. Tell me. I want to see your comments. Okay? So if you have missed the dividends, you can still make a lot of money from this stock. I'm telling you. So let's assume that you own 10,000 shares. You would have walked away with 450,000 naira. You own 100,000 shares. You would have made 4.5 million. Remember, they're going to take 10% from your profits. Withholding tax. Yes, it is legal. Whether you're doing US stocks or Nigerian stocks, you will pay. And it's from your profit, not from your capital, okay? And if you had 1 million, you would have made 45 million naira. Oh! This is so sweet. This is what I call quiet money, cash. That lands in your account or enters your wallet and you can reinvest it sharp. This is one of the best times to start investing. Oh, this is the best time for you to come and join Community VIP 9.0. Come and join. I want to share one more interesting testimony that someone actually sent to me. You can actually get access to some stocks that can give you from 20% up until 500% with a certain time frame. Okay, it's not something you make overnight. I just want to tell you, if you are looking that if I give you a list of stock to buy and tomorrow you make 500%, please avoid me. That's not what I teach. I show you the process. I show you the map. When you get on board, you are going to get it. That's what I show you. And I'm very, very realistic. Okay, so this person sent me this stock. This person has made 487%. And this is 5% of the person's portfolio. I don't want to share the other portfolio because I know some people like, let me see. 487%. This stock was purchased in March and we're in July. 487. This stock is going to 500, is going to 600%. So you see, this is one of the things you get. And making money can be easy if you have the right knowledge, the right coach, the right community, and you're doing the right things. You're showing up and you're taking action. So join 9.0 community where you learn first. I'm big on community learning. Knowledge. Then you practice and you start earning. It's going to be so amazing. We have 4 slots remaining, 65,000. The payment link is the first in the description of this video. You can also send an email if you're having trouble in your payments or you want to talk to me directly. Send an email to me. And these are some of the things that we're doing as we have positioned for 2026. And I can't wait to see you in that community. So did you enjoy today's lesson? Did you see all the cool spots I showed you how to make money? After watching this video, if you don't make up to 50,000 naira, I'm not going to be happy. I won't be happy with you. Hey, I will not be happy with you because this is why I want you to make good money. So share this video with someone who you know wants to start investing, wants to take a look at, oh, where can I start? Where can I make some money? I've shown you some good opportunities and I'm hoping you'll make good use of it. And of course, I'll see you in another video. Have a good day and keep printing, keep learning, and keep making money.